Okay. Well, getting out and about again. Got a couple of days where I can get out, and Melbourne's in lockdown now, so I don't know what's going to happen, so I've decided to get out on a couple of days camping. This is Muckleford, which is just outside of Newstead, so do a bit of bush camping, a little bit of bike riding, a bit of cooking, so hopefully we have a good time. Cooking up a bit of, not cooking up, got a bit of chicken here for dinner tonight. Just putting some mustard sauce on it. A little bit of that. We'll marinate it for a bit. There's 5 pieces here, but I don't think I'll cook. I mean, I will cook them all, but I don't think I'll eat them all. Bit of salt. Bit of spice. My favourite, bit of peri-peri sauce. So that's looking pretty good, so I'll let that settle. What do we got, about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so hopefully about 5 o'clock I'll get them cooking. Okay, here we go. The chicken's cooking. Didn't want to do it with the torchlight, but the GoPro had a hissy fit and wasn't able to film it. So it's got a bit darker now, but anyway, she's cooking nicely now. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about a few things that I reckon are essentials in my camping setup. I've just found these to be the best thing ever. This Ryobi cordless chainsaw, I got it from Bunnings. I don't know how they're going making them, but this one here was a store display. They didn't have any left. Like I said, I don't know whether they got any more, but I got to get a bigger battery for it. This is only a 2 amp hour. I need to get a probably 4 or 5 amp hour battery. But this thing here is essential, and you'll see a bit after this a log that I cut. So it might be small and people might laugh at it, but you will be surprised at what you can actually cut through with this. So this is one thing that I just love having in my camper trailer. This here is another thing. I talked about this last time. This is my 110 watt King's foldable solar panel, and it is brilliant because you can just chase the sun with it wherever you want to. Haven't got a really good battery in my setup. I bought a second-hand one, which now I look back and say it probably was a mistake to buy. But yeah, you do what you do, and it's going fine. And with this battery, with this solar panel, it does a great job. So as you can see, I've got that one there, which is my 160 watt fixed solar panel, but it's under my awning when I've set up. So yeah, that's great when I'm driving along and it charges my battery. But this one here, I use constantly. So I had it over there this morning, and I'll probably have it over here this afternoon, and it does a brilliant job. Another little thing that I've got that I love having too is you see those 2 little solar panels there? Well, what they are is from garden lights. So what I've got, if you come around this side, is I've put these little garden lights, one there and one there. So when I step out of my trailer at night, if I have to go to the toilet, there's light going there. So it is a brilliant thing. So another little setup thing that maybe you might want to incorporate in your setup. And last thing that I really love is my pot belly stove. This thing is brilliant. Not as good as a fire like that when you've got a cold day like it is at the moment, but it is just brilliant for cooking. I can put my camp oven on it, and also my pot or something like that, and it cooks away nicely. So when you've got plenty of wood, it's a great little thing. Okay, so those are the things that I really like having in my trailer. I think they're some of the most important things. I've got a lot of other stuff, but the video would go on for far too long if I told you everything. But here's a trick that I got taught a long time back. If you're putting a lot of stuff in your trailer and you don't know what you need and what you don't need, get a bunch of stickers, what colour, doesn't matter, red, white, black. When you use it, when you take it out and use it, put a sticker on it. And every time you use it after that, put another sticker on it. At the end of the year, you have a look at it. If you've got lots of stickers over it, obviously you're using it a lot, and it's worthwhile keeping. But if you've got something that doesn't have any stickers on it, obviously you're not using it, so it might be an idea to either get rid of it or, you know, only use it when needed. But, you know, if you haven't got any stickers on it, you're obviously not using it. So it's just a trick that I learnt from an old timer. He taught me how to do that. So worthwhile looking at. Tonight's dinner, nice big thick steak, couple of potatoes, bit of onion, mustard sauce, herbs and spices. Doesn't get much better than this. Well, as you can see, I'm packed up and ready to go home after having a great couple of days here. Camped all by myself, so that's the way I like it. So if you like this channel, subscribe to it, and I'll see you in the next video.